I have Samsung Galaxy A80 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number and serial number just pops up, and you can also use here the barcodes to these numbers. Tap OK to close this window. And now let me show you the second way of checking those information. Let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to find and select the about phone, select here status, and here you've got information about the IMEI. So this is the IMEI number, and you can also here find the serial number of your device. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.